So for this, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do some oregano. Sorry, I had to grab some tongs so I can flip over the chicken because I don't want to put my hands in it. Okay. And then I think I'm gonna hit it with some parsley.
I graduated from BYU and then went on a mission, soaking is correct. It's not a myth.
Okay. And then I'm also going to hit it with some celery salt on both sides. And then I'm going to grab some pepper. I don't have pepper in my spindles. I don't know why. I'm not a big pepper girl to begin with. So. Oh, look what I found. I found the anything rub. This is something my husband loves. So this may increase the probability of him eating this. So I'll hit it with a dash of this. And I'll get my pepper from this beautiful thing because now I don't have to go hunt and find for it. So, and then this has salt in it also, so it'll probably be just right on the salt content. You know, with the chicken breast, you know how it is. It's kind of like a little dry always. So I add the peppers and the and I add the onions to increase the moisture inside. So we'll be back after I chop all the vegetables. Okay, so I got my onions and peppers chopped up here. So I'm gonna go ahead and dress the side of this. First, I'm gonna add some olive oil to make it to give it a little oil factor, so it can get a little color while it's cooking. So I'm just gonna drop maybe like 2 tablespoons. And then I'm just gonna put this inside. And sometimes I do lift up the chicken just to like make sure it's like sitting on the bed of the onions to get more of that flavor in there. I always think that's a good idea. So I'll do that. Because this is a one-pot dish, so everything is going to be baked in this one pan. I'm going to cover it. And I got the broccoli in there. Just try not to have any gaps, so that's enough. Okay. Now I need to peel the carrots and chop them up and then add them on the sides there.
I do think that Meredith does bring up a good point. That maybe we need to give Mary a little bit of grace. Maybe she does have something wrong.
Now, I'm not sure if I need 2 carrots or just 1. This pan is kind of small and I'm only doing 2 pieces of chicken. So I may just do this one carrot and call it a day because it's so colossal. Definitely GMO carrot over here. So now I'm gonna toss these bad boys in here. Yeah. All right, so I am gonna do the other carrot. Because it's only gonna take a second to peel it.
Robert was like the perfect child. He was very good in school. He got straight A's all the way up as they graduated. When he set his mind to do something, he did it. He was like our pride. Very smart, very advanced. That's the Robert I know. And that's the Robert I want to reach. You gotta be real. You gotta talk.
I think it's headache.
But why?
I didn't sleep last night.
So when you just gonna sleep in the day, just sleep your whole day away?
And I had a sick house to just chill me out. And I take it out all the bad stuff for that.
New fear unlocked, guys. Okay, so now that I got all the vegetables and everything together, I need to season this. So what I'm going to do now is take the same anything seasoning and season up the vegetables and add some olive oil. And I'm gonna bake this at 400 for 1 hour because I want the meat to fall apart. So now I'm just gonna add, I'm gonna do like old school splashes, like Emeril Lagasse, bam. Shout out to him, I hope he's well, God bless him. He gave us some good TV all those great years. Okay, so this is all set. I'm gonna go in uncovered for 30 minutes, then cover for 30 minutes. I'll come back halfway through with an update. Love you, see you second, bye.